Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm checking out the Going Gear EDC Club's December 2020 package. Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know what Going Gear EDC Club is. And if you're not familiar, I'll leave all the information down below in my description box. So let's break this bad boy open and see what we got. Yep. The cheat sheet here, I'll put that off to the side and just pull out this right here. Oh man. So this is actually very funny and awesome at the same time. It's the Olight Warrior Mini. Now I just did a video on my flash sale pickup from Olight and I actually got all three colors of the Olight Warrior Mini. Camo, desert sand, and the black with the blue anodized pocket clip. And it wasn't necessarily a review on those lights. I wanted to take this light out with me to a job that I had that had over 3 weeks of overnights. Most of my shifts were between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, so I needed to take a good flashlight with me. So I brought the Desert Sand Olight Warrior Mini with me. And while I was using it, other people on the crew liked it so much that they asked me about it. And my boss liked it so much that I actually gave him my black Warrior Mini with the blue clip. And after I gave it to him, I missed it so much, I was actually planning on getting it back. And what a weird coincidence that it's in this month's Going Gear bag. And yes, I did use one of these every night for 3 weeks straight, and I can tell you, these are awesome little lights. So just to go over this real quick, it does have an aluminum body, there's 5 different modes, and it has a max 1500 lumens, and what does it say the throw is? I forgot. 190 meter throw. IPX8 waterproof and impact resistance up to 1.5 meters, and it does have the magnetic tail switch back here that Olight is famous for. Brand new, so I gotta take out the little plastic tab there. Now I am a really big fan of this flashlight. Now they call this a tactical / EDC flashlight. I'm not sure how tactical this is. And if you guys saw my video, you'll know that I'm really disappointed with this little crenellated bezel right here, especially if they're calling this a tactical flashlight. If you guys are familiar with its bigger brother, the Warrior Pro X, you'll know that it has a pretty aggressive bezel. And when I looked at this, I'm like, what is that? But the weak bezel aside, I think this is one great little light, especially to pull out of this month's Going Gear. I was not expecting it. And I absolutely love a tail switch on an EDC flashlight. And this one has the tail switch and the side switch, which is appreciated because you can only hit medium or turbo with this tail switch here. And with the side switch, it'll only go, what is it? It'll go low, medium, high. Yeah. And then to hit moonlight or turbo, you have to do some special button presses where hold it down to hit the low 1 lumen moonlight, or double click to hit turbo from that side switch. But once again, this is a great item to pull out of this bag. I'll put this off to the side. Oh yeah, all the stuff that it comes with here. You have your magnetic charger here, your standard lanyard, and your owner's manual, but I'll put off this off to the side here, and we'll see what else is in this bag. All right, next, let's just pull out the Going Gear sticker, and the last item in the bag, there's nothing else in there. And what the heck is this? A luminaid Packlight Nova USB solar inflatable lantern. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. It says 75 lumens, recharges in 10 hours of sun, recharges by micro USB in 1 to 2 hours, 12-hour max runtime on low setting, 2 years of storage life, 5 brightness settings, and 125 square feet lighting area right there. So I have a feeling I am really going to like this. So let's take this out of the bag here. Oh, check that out. It says packs flat, which is pretty obvious here. Look at this thing. So it looks like it has this band that keeps everything nice and packed up, and it has plastic snaps on it. And this just fell out here. This is the micro USB to charge it, but we also have the solar panel right here on top. And it looks like it's already starting to charge just by my lights here. We have that little red LED indicating that it's charging. And it looks like it comes with an owner's manual here, but let's see how we use this thing. So look how it's folded. We just twisted it and Oh my God. So I'm gonna blow this thing up right now and see if we can get some light out of this thing. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So here we go. It literally took me one breath to fill this thing up. Stuff that little nozzle back inside and look at this thing. This is really, really cool. It looks like these little flaps just hang off. Or, oh, here we go. It's like it snaps together and it makes a little handle for itself. So that's really cool. And right here on the top, looks like we have our spot for the micro USB. And it looks like we have a little power button right here. So I wonder if there's enough juice in this thing to turn on. And yes, this is awesome. As you guys know, I love lights. I'm a lighting geek. Some of you guys might know that I work in the film industry when I'm not doing YouTube, and before I was a grip, I was a lighting technician. So I got to geek out every day while I was on set, just with lots of cool little lights. And you guys can already tell I'm really loving this month's going gear because we got a flashlight, even though I already have 2 of these. I did have 3, gave one away, but now I have 3 again, and this is awesome. All right, so how do we cycle through the modes? So, all right, it's just a single press to cycle through the modes. So just short presses all the way through. What about if I hold it down? Doesn't do anything. And according to the back here, it says press battery button to see how much charge is in battery. So this little battery button right here. So if I press it, oh wow, it's almost fully charged? Is that what it means? Okay, I guess it's almost fully charged. That's great. All right, so I just turned off my main lights here so we can see those 75 lumens, what it looks like, 360 degrees, even the bottom here. That's cool. And let me cycle through these modes. And, oh, wow, I missed the flashing mode. I was just gonna say it'd be cool if it had an SOS or beacon. So it looks like it has a little beacon mode at its lowest level. I think it'd be cooler to have a beacon mode at high right here, the full 75 lumens, but that's still pretty cool they included it. This is definitely cool. I love little emergency lights that are solar. You can just pack this away. It folds down real flat. Fold it down real quick. You gotta twist it. Which way do I twist it? Like this. Folds down pretty flat here. Then you just button it up with the included strap that's connected right to the top of the light. And there we go. All right, now let's check the cheat sheet here. Olight Warrior Mini, $79.95. As we already know, it's 1500 lumens. Max runtime of 45 days, and we have the luminaid Packlight Nova USB solar lantern at $24.95. So everything added up here is $104.90, and the Going Gear EDC Club per month is $59.99. So this month, you're definitely getting your money's worth out of it, especially if you guys have always wanted this Olight Warrior Mini. This is a pretty new flashlight, and this thing's 80 bucks just by itself. So to pull a relatively new $80 flashlight out of a $60 box is pretty awesome. I love the value in this. And then we have this $25 solar lantern that has many uses. Even as an emergency light, which I will probably use it for, just stick this in my car, just in case. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of this month's Going Gear EDC Club? And if you guys want to check out Going Gear EDC Club for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!